Opel Crossland X, Vauxhall Crossland X, 2021. As demand for crossovers and SUVs in the B segment is continually growing at the expense of compact MPVs. Built at the factory of Opel in Zaragoza, Spain. Available with petrol, diesel and LPG engines. The petrol engines are all 1.2-liter 3-cylinder units, with power outputs of 81, 110 and 130 horsepower, 97 kilowatts. The two higher-powered versions are turbocharged, and have balanced shafts. On the diesel side, the Crossland offers a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, with either 99 horsepower, 74 kilowatts, or 120 horsepower, 89 kilowatts. Both the 120 horsepower diesel and 130 horsepower petrol models get a 6-speed manual gearbox, the other engines come with 5-speed manuals. A 6-speed automatic is available, in conjunction with the 110 horsepower engines. The LPG model is based on the entry-level naturally aspirated petrol engine. When operating on LPG, it has a maximum power output of 75 horsepower. It is based on a modified version of Group PSA, PF1, platform, which is currently used by the Citroën C3 Picasso and the Peugeot 2008. The Crossland's platform is shared with the Citroën C3 Aircross. The Opel Crossland X received a facelift in 2020 and was renamed to Opel Crossland, dropping the X. In March 2018, Opel announced that over 100,000 orders for the Crossland or Crossland X had already been taken.